In this video, I'm going to show you how I changed the flush valve seal on my Kohler Class 5 toilet. I'm not a licensed plumber, this is just how I fix my own toilet, so follow at your own risk. You see, our seal here is not properly seated, so it is allowing water to constantly run and drip into the toilet bowl. Our seal is old and it is time for a replacement. So the very first thing that we are going to do is turn off our water supply. And with the water off, we can see that it has stopped filling into the tank, and now we are going to flush our toilet just to make sure we get any excess water out from that tank before we begin working on it. So we're going to flush and hold so it allows any water left to drain out of that holding tank. Next thing we are going to do is we are going to remove the fill tube. On ours, we simply pull up and it pops out like that. Once the fill tube has been disconnected, then we're going to go ahead and disconnect our chain. Now we are going to remove the canister, and depending on your Kohler model, yours may unlock a little differently, but for ours, we're going to grab that center guide arm and rotate a quarter turn counterclockwise. So we'll grab that arm, give it a little rotation counterclockwise, and then it should pull free, just like that. Now I'll show you here just why we do have to turn it counterclockwise. It's because of this little locking mechanism right here that fits into that groove. That is why we have to rotate it counterclockwise so it can be free from the toilet. Then we can go ahead, grab our old seal, and we will throw it away. Now for our replacement, we are going to be using the Corky kit that comes with both a Kohler and American standard flush valve seal. Now, this is the model number 435. This is the one that fits our toilet. If that is the same for you, we will be leaving an affiliate link in the description, meaning if you click and make a purchase, we'll receive a small commission at no extra charge for you. Now, it's important with this kit, we do have to see, okay, the Kohler one is the seal with the little tab as indicated on the back of the instructions here. So, looking at the two seals that come with it, we need the one on the right because it has the little tab, and this is the one that is designed for our Kohler toilet. So we're going to take that seal and our canister, and on the bottom of the canister there's going to be a little groove that we're going to work the seal into. Now we're just going to go very slow, trying not to stretch out the seal and keep it as intact as we can, and we're just going to slowly work our way around until it is completely secured on the bottom of our canister. And there we have it, our seal is now in place, and we'll just give it one quick check from the side to see, yep, it is fitting correctly within that groove, and now we can reinstall it. So we need to make sure that we get this little locking mechanism back in the right position, so we're going to align it with the groove on the bottom, and then grabbing that center guide arm, we're going to gently push it down and rotate it a quarter turn clockwise to lock it in place. Now, the next thing we have to do is reattach our chain. And with the chain reattached, now we're going to take our fill tube and push it back into place, just like so. We are then going to go ahead and turn on our water to see if everything is working correctly. As we see, our toilet tank is filling with water and the seal is holding, so it is doing its job. The very last thing that we have to do is just put the toilet tank lid back on top. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, it would mean a lot if you could hit that like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.